Hey there, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're like me, you're always looking for ways to make your business more efficient and profitable. And if you're in the creative or professional services industry, then you know that invoicing can be a real pain. Today, I'm going to be talking about HoneyBook, a popular invoicing and client management software. I've been using HoneyBook for a few years now, and I've found it to be an incredibly helpful tool. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, does HoneyBook do invoices? And if so, how does it work? I'll also be sharing some of the other features that I love about HoneyBook, and I'll give you some tips on how to get started using it. So, if you're interested in learning more about HoneyBook, then please stick around. Yes, HoneyBook does do invoices. In fact, invoicing is one of the core features of the software. HoneyBook makes it easy to create professional invoices that look great and get paid faster. You can customize your invoices with your own branding, and you can add line items, taxes, and discounts. You can also track your invoices and see which ones have been paid and which ones are still outstanding. In addition to invoicing, HoneyBook also offers a number of other features that can help you run your business more efficiently. These features include client management. You can keep track of all your clients' information in one place, including their contact information, projects, and invoices. Project management. You can create tasks, assign them to team members, and track their progress. Proposals. You can create professional proposals that include your services, pricing, and terms and conditions. Contracts. You can create contracts with your clients that outline the scope of work, payment terms, and other important details. Lead management. You can track your leads and see which ones are most likely to convert into clients. Time tracking. You can track your time on projects and then automatically generate invoices. Online payments. You can accept payments from your clients online using a variety of payment methods, including credit cards, PayPal, and bank transfers. Reporting. You can generate reports that show you how your business is doing financially. I've been using HoneyBook for a few years now, and I've found it to be an invaluable tool. It's helped me to get organized, save time, and get paid faster. If you're looking for an invoicing and client management software that can help you take your business to the next level, I highly recommend HoneyBook. Here are a few tips for getting started with HoneyBook. Sign up for a free trial. Create a profile for your business. Set up your invoicing templates. Start adding clients and projects. Once you're up and running, you'll be able to start using HoneyBook to save time and money. In conclusion, HoneyBook is a great invoicing and client management software that can help you run your business more efficiently. It's easy to use, packed with features, and affordable. If you're looking for a way to improve your invoicing process, I highly recommend giving HoneyBook a try. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy invoicing.